Hey, this is David, and today I've got a very good prepper meal. This is very easy, and you use, canned stuff, and that's why I say that it's a good prepper meal. With a little bit of rice, this can go a long way. And it's called 6-can tortilla soup. I have 1 can of corn, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of tomatoes with diced chilies, 1 can of chicken, and 2 cans of chicken broth, but it was a lot cheaper for me to get the box. And all you do is just pour it into your pot. Alright? Just dump it all. You don't even have to drain this if you don't want to. I did this time. I normally don't because I don't like wasting the stuff in the can. This time I drained it so it's not too juicy. But all you do is you just stir this up and heat it until the chicken is heated through. Serve it with chips or over rice or however you normally eat your soup.